Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Lisa, 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 Lisa. We at home with Lisa, Lisa. Lisa, 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 Lisa. We at home.
Hello, love bugs. Welcome back to Lovemas 2025. And welcome to At Home with Lisa, Lisa. Hi, love bugs. Welcome back to the channel. So today, you all, we are here on day 4 with Lovemas. And today we are doing a Lovemas Leopard lantern. Yes, LLL, Lovemas Leopard lantern. So today we're going to be creating some type of lantern for you. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're so happy to have you here with At Home with Lisa, Lisa. And also, if you're returning, welcome back. We're so happy that you guys are continuing to rock with At Home with Lisa, Lisa. And also, you all, this Lovemas celebration is with Design with Emma and Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. So if you guys missed their videos, please go back and watch their videos. We are premiering at 5:30 p.m., 6 and 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Central Standard Time is 6:30, 7, and 7:30, okay? Because some of us are on the Eastern and some of us are on the Central. But just please pay attention to our community tab so you will know when we are posting. And also, too, look at the content creators notification. So that means you got to have your notification bells on to receive the notifications. So without further ado, let's get into creating this Lovemas Leopard lantern. So the first thing I want to do is to leopard lantern that we are creating today. So without further ado, you all, let's go ahead and get into it. There's only thing to do it. There's only one thing left to do, is to do it. But I don't want it too tight because I want to add more florals like these red. it's just absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I added this tuning in, and if you all miss Lifestyle Designs with Teresa or Design with Emma's video, please go back and check them out. And don't forget, we are premiering every single day, the February the 1st through the 5th. And I'm going to say thank y'all so much. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I'm going to see you all in the next video. Bye bye, lovers. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa Lee.